Alright, YouTube. I'm going to try something. Haven't used this mower in a year plus. Blade control. I'm going to try and start it up. See if it'll run. And I'm going to try and do it while holding my phone somehow. So, you know. Hold on. One pull. I love this thing. This thing would run on yak piss. That gas has been in there for at least a year. That's freaking great. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna do an auto mower deal. Wait and see. Tie it to a stake and let it run. So I got this old thing from an old screen door. I'm going to screw this onto about there. Hi. Hold on a second, hon. And then I'm going to tie the rope onto this guy. So, my drill and a couple bits and stuff so you can keep an eye on. I know, I got my little helpers here.
Hi.
So you can keep an eye on what I'm doing here.
Mama, come here.
Get out of there.
Come here.
So let's see
Come on.
how this actually works out. So we want that about there. Alright, we're going to try a different bit because my DeWalt bits weren't cutting it. What's the matter? I don't know what's going on here. It's taking forever. Jeez. I don't know what's going on. Alright, it's a new day. We're back at it. Trying to get these holes started, pilot holes drilled in this this deck is really tough. I'm thinking maybe I should have just welded this thing together, but we're getting to it. We'll see. Who knows? Jeez. That's annoying. One, two, three. I'll get it eventually. Alright. That's Daddy. What? Nope. I'm all done. Trying to find the shortest screws that'll actually hold this because I don't want to be punching too deep into this deck. There we go. Hooked up. A little cold today. My wife says it's 80 degrees and sunny. What are you gonna do? Stick around. We'll wire this sucker up. All right. Let's see how this works. I got my mower tied up to my stake. It's an old green garden stake kind of thing. So what we'll do, I'll set you here. Try and give you a view. See if this works. Oop. I need something to hold that. I'll be right back. Needed a bungee. Alright. Never mow in flip-flops. Do as I say, not as I do. Need a better bungee, but I call that a success. And check it out. I want to get a better bungee. I might need to put some weight on the front wheels. My grass is a little wet, but this works. I got the discharge off to the right, so it's not going to run over its own stuff. My post seems to be holding up. Let's see how my radius is looking, because I tried to get the radius big enough. I got a 22-inch deck. Olivia, don't stand over there, hon. I don't want to be mowing the same lawn over and over, just because I don't want to be wasting the gas. Well, lesson learned. I am mowing the same lawn over and over. I'll get another 2x4 in there. That'll do it. That's awesome. I love it. So lesson learned. I need two 2x4s in there to adequately get this, and it's not keeping tension because of the way my lawn is. That's alright. But saves me time. Hey, this is Luke's Amateur Hour. I'm an amateur. Amateur engineering over here.